Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about why international money transfers still take days even in our digital world. Let's break it down step by step. First off, banking feels fast these days. Use an app to send money. You get a confirmation right away. Your balance updates in seconds. Most international transfers take 1 to 5 business days, sometimes even longer. Of course, this isn't by chance. It's because of how the global payment system works. It uses old networks, extra banks in the middle, rules and other limits. To understand, we need to look past the app and see how money really travels. Most transfers use something called SWIFT. SWIFT doesn't move the money. It's just a safe way for banks to send messages with payment details. When you send money abroad, your bank sends a message via SWIFT to the receiver's bank. If they don't deal directly, it goes through one or more middle banks. These are called correspondent banks. They hold accounts with each other and help settle the payment. Each bank checks and passes it on. So it's like a chain. Even if you start it fast, the whole process waits for each link to do its part. Because of this, international transfers are slower than local ones. Local payments often finish in one day, but cross-border ones take 1 to 5 days usually. Sometimes it's quicker if banks connect directly or no currency change is needed, but it can drag to a week or more with lots of middle banks, extra checks, holidays, or mistakes. Location plays a role too. Transfers between North America and Europe are often faster, but to places like parts of Africa or Asia, it takes longer due to fewer direct links. Delays are part of the system for a few reasons. First, those middle banks. Each one gets the message, checks it, and sends it forward. Delays add up. Second, rules and checks. Every bank must verify things like who you are, stop money laundering, check for sanctions, and watch for fraud. If something flags, it holds until cleared. That adds time. Third, changing currencies. If you switch money types, it needs extra steps. Banks might do it at set times or wait to handle risks. Rare currencies slow it more. Fourth, of course, time zones and hours. Banks work in different zones and have holidays. If one is closed, the transfer just stops. Late starts or weekends push it to the next day. Fifth, errors or manual fixes. Wrong codes or details can bounce it back. Fixing needs talks between banks, which of course takes time. Digital apps don't mean fast settlement. Apps make starting easy and clear, but the backend uses old systems from years ago. They focus on safety, not speed. Apps improved access, but the core process stays the same as before phones. Of course, new options are coming. Some platforms use local systems and hold money in different currencies ahead. That skips some middle banks and speeds things up. But even these face the same rules and limits. They help in some cases, but not everywhere. In the end, international transfers take days because the system puts safety, rules, and working together first. Starting is instant, but finishing needs banks, checks, changes, and limits. Until the whole system shifts from old models, delays will stay. The app feels new, but the setup is built on old rules and ties that change slowly. And that is why transfers lag in our digital age. If you like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.